Going on, guys? Back at it. I'll give you a little update video on what I'm doing and some good news that I got. I'm out here in the garage. I finished the back end already. Got it plumbed up. I'm probably gonna change some things. I'm gonna change these valve setups. They leak. I don't like the way they hang off so much. But I got some good news. I got me a new motor for this truck. New but old. A friend of mine was getting rid of a B22 motor and transmission, so I got lucky and I got it at a pretty good deal. I got the transmission and I got the motor. Right now, I'm just getting ready to take it apart, make it a little easier to get off. Take off the manifold, take off the intake, just kind of strip it a little bit, make it easier, and try to clean up this garage a little bit. A friend of mine's gonna pick up this motor off this Mighty Max. No good. Gonna keep the transmission for it. And that's where I'm at today. I'm gonna be out here today in the garage, working on this truck. We're working on getting the motor off, and then I'll probably go to my friend's and work on his Mighty Max. But when I'm out there, I'll show you, give you a tour of his truck too, what we're doing to it. But yeah, I'll get back right to you in a little bit. Alright guys, it's been a day since yesterday. And I didn't end up doing anything yesterday, so I'll continue on from the last clip. I got everything loaded up in my truck. I'm fixing to go do a C-notch, bit of C-notch in a friend of mine's Mazda. This truck is the one I got my motor out of, that I'm going to be putting in my motor. I mean, be putting in my truck. It's a little B2200. I got all my stuff loaded up. Got my water machine, my gargon bottle, plasma cutter. I got my truck all up on jack stands, ready for the new motor. And but this morning I'm gonna be heading out to my buddy's shop to do that C-notch. I'll get back with you in a little bit and I'll show you his little truck. Hey guys, it's been a few days from the last clip. As I forgot to record that day when I went to go do the C-notch, but I'm here at the guy's shop where I did the C-notch on, and I'm going to show you the truck. So here's his truck, the little Mazda B22. He has a V6. I'm not sure what it's out of, but it's all in there, ready to go. I think it's ready to start too. He should be back here in a little bit. I'll have him turn it on for us in a little bit. But yeah, here's the little truck. This is the truck that I got the motor out of. One owner truck. You got a super good deal on it. And this is a C-notch I did. Want a good size C-notch on it because he wants to probably bag it later. Right now he's just he's slammed, he's static. But that's a C-notch. Gotta keep his gas tank. Ready to go. All he needs to do is do the dry shaft. But that's his little truck. And this is that motor came out of a little V6 he has out here. This is bad. But there's a little truck he got. This one, he had the V6 in this one, but he hit a curb and bent the frame, so he took it out, put it in the other one. But yeah, he's here, and I'll show you here in a little bit where we're running. You check out the interior. It's a clean interior. That's the original floor mat. Everything's all original in here. You got a clean deal in this. Here, it has new stereo in, shifter for the automatic. Clean. And that because the other motor only had 100,000 miles on it. I think a little bit, I'll give him to turn it on. He's fixing to turn it on. Still have to do the exhaust on it. You can see the motor mount. It just used the original location in the motor mount. You just bolted it on there. Little V6, clean. Good little room you got too. Full size radiator, electric fan, clean setup. Alright guys, I had to take off already before I got to finish. They're doing the dry shaft right now, getting it ready, cutting it to length. That's all he needs left, is just get the dry shaft finished, weld it out, and be ready to go. Hopefully I'll come back in a few days and have it all ready to go, and do a little video of him doing a burnout. He's anxious to do it too, so it'll be pretty cool. But right now, I know there's a lot of little short clips in this video, but it's just hard for me to get a good long video. But I just want to keep you updated. I know I haven't been able to post too much too lately on my channel, but pretty soon I'm gonna have a lot of stuff to record now that I got that motor and transmission, and get it going, man. I'm anxious to get my truck back on the road again. I still gotta redo the back plates for the front. I gotta cut the old ones off. They got all bent up, and they don't line up with the new control arms that I got. And I'll show you the control arms too, on what I did with them, how to install them. I got them almost halfway installed, but I can still show you what I did. I still gotta do the top arms, and we'll go from there. And hopefully soon I'll have my truck back on the road. But thanks for watching my channel, and I'll keep you updated as soon as I can. I'll check you later.